to be sick of me. Prepare to be sick of me because what? Hello siblings, welcome back and thank you for tuning into this channel. Thank you so much for your support. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the video. So Mihlali, you're really wondering what is she talking about? Mihlali is talking about her new set of teeth. Siblings, it is no secret that dental procedures are expensive, but Mihlali Ndamase is willing to invest in whatever it takes to ensure that she always looks her best. She recently visited Turkey, apparently. Okay, she visited Turkey to buy this set of teeth, and she went with her mom, and they say allegedly both, it's not allegedly, even her mom did the procedure, but people on the cross Lorna platform, they are not happy at all about it. When I look at it, I don't see much difference, but there is a difference, except that they are white. There is a difference, slightly different. They are a little bit bigger, okay? Yeah, they're a little bit bigger, but she's got a beautiful smile. But again, critics, they are always there. And someone said Mihlali got botched dental work done. Another one said Mihlali and CN are just proof that body dysphoria is a real thing. And the other one said, why the hell did Mihlali get veneers? She had a really good set of teeth. Iosana, it's really the soul that needs surgery. Beyonce was said that the soul is the one that needs surgery. The girls are fixing things that don't need to be fixed. Betuna, let's start going to therapy. So, but if you have money, why not? If you have money, why not? Honestly, if it makes you happy, do it, as long as the results will be perfect. And someone, Closer Threads, wrote, I agree, Mihlali's teeth were perfect. I think her teeth look good in that picture. However, in a video they look a bit thick and aren't in harmony with her smile face, but they aren't that bad. And honestly, yeah, I've noticed that, the, what do they call it, this teeth, the canine, if you look closely, you'll see it went a little bit back towards the first molar. So yeah, it doesn't look in sync. But yeah, it's her money, it's her rules, it's her body. Do what you want, Mihlali. We are watching. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think on the comment section about her new set of teeth. Until the next one, siblings, thank you so much. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye.